Okay, everyone. So, um, last time we defined a health score for the wizard, and now we need to make it so that it works. We need to make it so that when the ghost touches the wizard, the health score goes down. And so, in other words, we need to teach the wizard, we need to tell the wizard how to take damage. So, I'm going to go down to this pink block here and show you a neat trick. So as we've seen so far in this, if you look through this menu of blocks, you have all these different bricks that allow you to do different things. Well, there's a rather neat trick that we can use, which is that we can make our own brick or our own block. And so we're going to make a block that tells the wizard how to take damage. So the block name is take damage. Just going to hit OK. And now you'll see that this has appeared in our coding window. It says define take damage. And so this is Scratch's way of telling us we need to tell it what this means, right? So we've given it a name, we've created a new brick, we've called it take damage. But at the moment, Scratch doesn't know how to take damage, or the wizard doesn't know how to take damage. So we need to tell the wizard how to take damage, and that's going to come. We're going to put that in here. So in order to do this, we're going to go to control and we're going to grab the if then. And if then means exactly what you think it means. So it's going to check for something, and if it's true, then it's going to do something. So if the ghost is touching, this is what we're going to do. If the ghost is touching me, then I'm going to take some damage. So now we need to check whether the ghost is touching. Go to sensing, go to touching. And you'll notice that this touching brick, this blue brick that I'm wiggling, is has a pentagon shape. It's got 5 sides, which matches this slot right here. And I'm going to just drop it right in there. So this says, if touching mouse pointer, well, no, ghost. So now this is an instruction to the wizard. This is how to take damage. If you're touching the ghost, then, okay, reduce the health by 1. So go to variables, change health, and we need to change health by -1 to make it go down, and that should work. Now, I said this should work. This isn't quite enough, because this only tells the wizard how to take damage. It doesn't tell the wizard when to take damage, and we need to write something that is going to keep checking. Keep running this code, keep running this test to see whether the ghost is actually touching the wizard or not. So for this, go to control, and go to repeat, take that, and put it here, which is the thing that's going to run as soon as you hit the starting flag. So it's going to set health to 10, and then it's going to repeat the following. I'm going to leave this blank, because it says repeat until this is satisfied, but I'm not going to leave any condition here, so it'll never be satisfied, so it'll just keep repeating forever. So keep repeating forever. Go to pink, and put in our new code that we just defined. So just to repeat, this up here defines the code, tells you what the code should do, but it doesn't tell you when to do it. Now we've used the code. We've said, okay, I want you to keep repeating this code up here. I want you to keep running this test over and over and over again. So if we hit play, then this ought to work now. Oh, and you can see the wizard's health score has gone well into the minuses immediately. Now this isn't so good. It's going down way too fast. But at least we know that it's working. So whenever the ghost touches the wizard, you can see the score goes down. Okay, but it's going down way too fast. So let's see if we can make it go down a little bit slower. So go to control, and look way down here on the control bricks is wait until. No, I don't want wait until. I just want wait. Okay, it's up the top here. So wait. It says wait 1 second. That sounds all right. I'm just going to pop that in there. And so now what this says is keep repeating this loop, but wait 1 second between each loop. right? So don't take damage like every split second. Just check for damage every second. And so this should make it go down a little bit slower. So let's hit the flag, and you can see it's already going down slower. Oh, it's got me twice. Oh, it's got me a bunch of times. Now, the other problem we have there is that the health is going into the minus scores, and we want it to stop it at 0 and then have a kind of game over thing come up. So we're going to have to do that in a separate video. But right now, it looks like we've got the health, the damage taking basically working. Thank you for listening, and if you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe.